Good morning, everybody. So I gotta clear my throat, but here are some new deals that you guys want to add to Savings Star. Now, I get a lot of people who tell me a couple days later that they don't have it in their Savings Star. This is something that you guys need to add. These are like extra coupons that are very limited. So please keep in mind you guys need to add them like on Sundays because they sometimes disappear fast. So these are the deals that I got on Savings Star. Now, I also am not adding a lot of them because some of these are one-time deals and then they have the same deals on Checkout 51, and Checkout 51 keeps resetting. So I rather do Checkout 51 than these. But here we got the Purex. So most of the ones that I add, they're not going to have on Checkout 51. So we got the Purex that I'm adding, if it'll take it. We got the All. If it's not taking it, it might be like not available or something. Here we got $2 off of Persil. X-Lax. I don't think I'll ever get that stuff, but I'm just going to add it. Here we got to Be. Benefiber. I just saw these coupons on redplum.com, so I'm going to add the McCormick's and the Red Hots. Nature's Bounty. I'm just going to add the Citrusel. Nexium, the best bar ever. Sargento cheese, McCormick. Some of this stuff I can't remember, like the Vlasic. I know that is on Checkout 51. The Oreo bars, I'm not adding that because that's on Checkout 51 and I can do more than one. Same thing with this one. I am not adding it because I can do more. So these are all the deals that I have. You guys can add whatever you guys want. Kingsford Charcoal, I can't remember if that's on Checkout 51, but I'm not adding it because I don't want to. And then all the Clorox I know is on Checkout 51, so I'm not adding those until if I really buy it. But these are all my deals on Savings Star, so make sure you guys add your stuff, you know, before it's too late. Now it added it. So just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye.